Today I'll be taking you through memory cache mapping. Before we dive into the topic, we must first ask ourselves what is a memory. A memory is a place where the computer stores data for or instructions for the CPU to use. It's more of a storehouse where the computer can put the data so it can refer to it later as it works continuously because the way the CPU does it doesn't allow it to really store data. So that's where the memory comes in. So what's a cache? The cache is a very small but very quick and fast type of memory, which is very close to the CPU. So you can keep on referring to it without having to come all the way to the main memory, which will take a very long time. And that's why the cache was created. So we are going to talk about the memory cache mapping. It is a method used to decide where the data from the main memory goes into the cache. When the cache is small and the memory is large, we need a system to manage how this data maneuvers into the cache. We have three ways: direct mapping, fully associative, and set associative. Let's talk about direct mapping first. How does it work? First, the main memory block map. It allows for data to travel along one specific cache line and it's very fast. It's very easy, but it has one strong disadvantage. It can easily cause conflict because everything is being loaded onto one specific data line. And also want to the speed associative. Now, this one allows a kind of free for all situation where any memory block can go into any line. And this one is way better because right now there's no restriction and it's very flexible. Most conflicts are avoided, but one con is that it's very complex, very complicated. You need to pick a tool on the system. It's also very slow. But it's a hybrid between the first and the second one known as search associative mapping. And this time it allows the data to travel freely alright, but within a specific set or block. So it can't enter another set of data, another memory block set. And this one is balanced between speed and flexibility. It's slightly more complex than a direct mapping, but way better than fully associative. So this is a quick table of their disadvantages and their advantages. And you can see that direct mapping the fastest, fully associative is the most flexible, and set associative seems to be the balance between all of them. So I hope you learned a lot from this video. Thank you.